You'll need a trim puller tool and a flathead screwdriver. Begin by opening the trunk. Insert your trim tool into the front edge of the lens. Use the tool to push in the clip and pry out the assembly. There are top and bottom clips holding the assembly onto the lens. Pull out and open the top clips. Use your screwdriver to push in the bottom clips and pull off the cover. We highlight here where it clips together. Pull out the incandescent bulb. Replace it with the LED and test it. Snap the assembly back together. Install the back edge of the assembly and push it in. These new LED bulbs make a huge difference in lighting up the entire trunk area.